Hey guys, welcome back to HelpClick. In this video, I'll be showing you, or be discussing with you, how to contact Gmail support. But first, check our special offer in the description. So let's get started. So if you want to contact Gmail support here and get assistance on any problem that you may be encountering right now, well, the first thing that you want to do is you want to go and just go to support.google.com and access their webpage or their website. Now, if you go to the Gmail section, if you click on Gmail, obviously you won't see any option here that allows you to contact support. So you only have the option to post to the help community here, and sometimes posting the help community actually helps a lot. They will be able to provide certain answers to your question. But if you really need to contact support, what you need to do is you want to go ahead and go back one page here. Instead of accessing Gmail, you want to go and just choose the option for Google Drive. Now, inside Google Drive, you can go and scroll down a bit here. And in some cases, depending on where you are, you should have the option to reach out or contact support. But in some cases, again, depending on your account and depending on where you are, the option for contacting support may not be there. Now, like what I said, it totally depends on where your current region, so sometimes it's not available. So in this case, if the contact us button is not available, it means that your region or Gmail does not provide support on your account, so that might be a cause. So the best and last option you can try here is by posting to the help community. Now, usually the great thing about the help community here is if you do post something, like for example, if you let's just say if you post a question, sometimes a representative directly from in this case Google would actually comment on your post, so you don't have to worry. You still be able to get assistance, and if a representative actually reach out to you, they would comment on your post and possibly help you with your issues. But in this case, that's about it. So if you found this video helpful, hit the like and subscribe button and watch our next video.